All right, traders, what is going on, guys? Excited to be back with you. It has been a minute. I do apologize. Been out of the office for a little bit of time, working on a deal, and really just haven't made a video outside the office, and so this is a little weird for me. But we're gonna make it happen. So I get emails here and there, and got an email from a guy. Wanted to share this with you guys, just have a conversation. Just saying, hey Kevin. First year of trading, ends up not doing too well. Blew up the account. He picked up my book Among the 10%, which everybody should, because it's going to jumpstart your trading career. And the year following, I'm up $3,000 right now. You know, what was the aha moment for you, Kevin? Essentially, what's the secret to success? You know, how do you go from amateur status to professional day trading status? And I want to break that down for you guys, because a lot of people are constantly searching for that edge or strategy, just some kind of aha moment in their trading journey that's really just going to propel them forward. And I want to share with you a little bit about my experience with that, and if that's real, if that's a thing, or maybe if it's not. Well, in the day trader chat room this morning, we were having a conversation about something similar to that, and essentially where we were at was you have to have a level of self-awareness. This is very important in trading, and the thing I really like about trading most is it helps you out in all areas of life. I mean, human behavior doesn't change in the stock market, it doesn't change in the real estate world, it doesn't change in anything. People panic out of positions when they experience fear, and they buy into positions when they experience euphoria. That human behavior, it never changes. But a lot of people are looking for a light at the end of the tunnel when trading, and then they soon find out that light is a train, not exactly something they wanted, and they get run over and blow up. Well, self-awareness is critical, because in trading, in day trading, you're more or less fighting against yourself than you are the market. And most people don't like to take responsibility for that. They say, well, it's the market conditions, it's the chat room, that was a bad alert, or that the market conditions are just weak, they're not primed up for a good bull market, and there's a lot of shorts taken over. There's always excuses. If you're going to be a good trader, you have to take responsibility. It's that level of self-awareness and understanding, maybe I didn't have a game plan. Maybe I didn't predefine my risk. Maybe I didn't even know where that trade was going. So that's a secret in and of itself. Most traders approach the market with no predefined kind of risk game plan. They don't come into a trade thinking, how much am I going to risk here? They come into it thinking, how much am I going to profit? And that's the big difference between a gambler and a trader. Gamblers focus profit, traders focus risk and risk management. In this crazy trading journey, understanding that we need to be self-aware, understand it is a process, it's a journey, not necessarily with any destination. You never make it, you're always making it every single day. When you ever get comfortable thinking, I've made it, I'm a consistent trader, I'm consistently profitable, I can't take a big loss, that's when you're going to eat a big loss. You have to understand that every trade is just as important as the last trade. Nothing's changed. Maybe your mindset has changed, but that's bad. You don't want to be in a place where you think you're above taking a loss on a trade, because that's when you're going to eat a big loss. And these emotions are really what we struggle with the most when it comes to trading. It's all psychology. It's less, it has stuff to do with, technicals, fundamentals to a degree, because it is day trading, intraday trading, more or less, and not long-term investments. But a lot of it is just emotions. And really it comes down to, are you taking your losses well? And are you allowing your winners to extend themselves? These are really important things when it comes to your trading. Eat your losses and allow your winners to run. If you take huge losses, if you don't know how to cut your losers well, and that ultimately boils down to potentially an ego problem. And the market really exposes these problems in our behavior, and most people don't like to see their problems, and so they stop trading at that point, because to be honest, we do have a lot of problems. The market exposes us to those, and we just really have to be willing to come face to face with these problems that we have, take responsibility for them, and really learn from them, create a game plan around them, to move forward. We were talking about this morning, imagine playing a basketball game or something, and there's no out of bounds, there's no rules, you don't have a game plan, you're just kind of running around doing your thing, and no one has any clue what they're doing, what the setup is, you're just running around aimlessly trying to score. You're not going to do too well. I mean, it's the same thing in life, really. It's the same thing in life when it comes to money. Don't focus on the scoring, focus on the game. The money's a byproduct. Don't focus on the money in day trading. Focus on consistency, and then money follows. It's all about that consistency. Consistency takes precedence over everything. That's what you should be aiming for. Every single trade is very important, and ultimately, guys, don't allow one trade to ever define you. When most people blow up, it's not over the course of a year. Most people blow up over the course of a trade or a day or a few trades because they're over trading, they're revenge trading. Guys, you're so much better than that. Don't allow one trade to blow up your entire account. You're a much better trader than that. It's very dumb to go 100% in on one trade. You wouldn't do that with your investment portfolio. A few percent here and there, and in different stocks. But for some reason, when it comes to trading, we want to go all in. It has that kind of, people have that gambling mindset when it comes to it. They're just spinning the wheel, going all in on black, and that's the mindset. We got to shift that mindset. Going from an amateur trader to a professional day trader, it involves more than one thing, but ultimately, you need to manage risk, not be so focused on profit. Focus on risk management, predefine the risk, focus on consistency, focus on the process. Create a wall around your trading. It's one thing to make money, it's another thing to keep that money. You can make money in the market, but a lot of people lose it. You got to learn to make it, be consistent at it, and then learn to protect those profits over time. So I hope this video helped you guys. Let me know in the comment section below how you went from an amateur to a professional trader, or any questions that you have for some of us that may have been trading for a little bit longer than you. We're always happy to help, guys. Love you guys. We will see you all next time.